Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix green lines on any iPhone and iPad. So I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest video. So guys, do not waste any time. So fix this problem. This first solution is restart your iPhone. Volume up button and volume down button, and press the power button when you see appears on Apple logo on your iPhone. When not increase, then you slide on your iPhone, and then if first solution is not working on your iPhone, their second solution, reset all setting on your iPhone. Then you open the setting and then scroll up, click on general, and then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone. Then you have must be click on reset all setting, and iPhone given a passcode, and then your iPhone will be reset all settings. Make sure is do not lose any data, any photos, any videos on your iPhone. Only reset all settings. And if there are second solution is not working on your iPhone, their third solution, turn on night shift. When you open the control center, and then you have click on brightness, and then you have show on night shift is I have turned uh, off, and then you will be must turn on. And then if there are third solution is not working on your iPhone, their fourth solution is turn off dark mode. Then you have open the again setting, and then you have click on display and brightness, and then you have click on dark mode, and then your dark mode is should be uh, turn off, and then you will back on light mode, and then back. Fifth solution, update iOS latest version on your iPhone. How to fix latest version? Update iOS. Then you have open again setting, and then click on general, and then click on update software, and then you have must install iOS update on your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed on your iPhone. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.